So when you do a right angle, that can be like
This red can go get your colors.
and then you have like the two ends.
Yeah, you can put it, I mean, you're not going to have a building right in the middle of the road. So you can put it anywhere as long as it's not in the road. Make sense?
So what are you starting with?
The park,
The park? What does it have to be?
a right triangle.
A rectangle?
Right triangle.
A right triangle. How do you know that's a right triangle?
Because it makes a square at the end.
Good job.
It's a ruler. So it's a quadrant.
Okay, so you can do immediately.
1, 5, 6, right here, right there.
I don't want to hang up the board because I don't want people
A sandbox shaped like a trapezoid. A sandbox with more than 4 sides. Now so we have to it's gonna be
Alright, third row.
building.
Second row, you speed up in your colors.
So what are y'all starting with first? Huh? Okay, so you're going to start with a building. What's your first building going to have?
Shape of a polygon.
Okay. And it has to have what? What does it say it needs to have?
You have to do the colors that are on there that it asks for. Okay? Come on, let's go. Let me go. Let me go. Red, green, blue, yellow.
You figured it out yet? Read that. It says the building has to have, it needs to be a polygon, but it also needs to have what? A right angle? Isn't that what it says? So what can you draw that has a right angle? See, I'm reading right here, number 2. So it's got to have a right angle and a set of parallel lines. So what kind of shape does it have to be? A parallelogram? Does that have right angles?
No.
What has right angles? What are some parallelograms? Those are angles. Where's your shapes? So if you're looking at your shapes, what shapes have parallel lines and right angles? Where's the right angles?
It's a
Or what else has right angles?
square.
So you need to draw two different ones. One needs to be a, and one needs to be a rectangle. And what color are they going to be?
Red.
There you go. Okay. So what are you drawing?
Buildings.
Okay, what is that building? It's a what?
Square.
Okay, why did you make a square? What did it ask you to do?
It told me to write.
What kind of angles did it have to have?
Right angles.
And what kind of sides? What did it say?
Parallel lines.
So does that have right angles and parallel lines?
Yes.
And you're going to color it what color?
Red.
Good job. Have you got started?
I'm about to.
What are you going to make first?
Which ones have right angles?
I don't know.
Look at your directions. What do you got to make first?
Excellent. Okay, so that both of those mean are
Or streets that are parallel to.
Okay, and you've already got those, right? Okay.
One road that are
do these have parallel lines?
perpendicular.
Yeah, they actually have how many pairs?
This four parallel.
Do you have that?
So they mean are affirmed. That's two different. So you can't draw like two regular.
Okay.
You have to draw one of them. Okay, so draw one rectangle and one square. Okay. Where's your big red?
Do you have one of those?
Is not.
Okay. So you've got all those. So now let's go down to the buildings. So you need to make,
Two different shaped red buildings that have at least one right angle and at least one set of parallel lines.
okay, so what kind of shape would that be? Okay, does a square have parallel lines?
Yes.
Does it have right angles? Look and see. So that'll work. Is there another shape that'll work too? Good job. So you need to draw you a,
Square and a rectangle.
and what color?
Red.
Good job. What you going to do first? What have you drawn so far?
The swimming pool. Sandbox and the sand.
Okay, now what colors are those supposed to be?
It doesn't tell us what color. What does it tell us? Sandbox.
All right, let's look. What you got?
On here it says two different shapes, blue buildings with no parallel or perpendicular sides.
Ooh.
they'll have to be different from each other. This is the only one. This can make a perpendicular.
Have you learned about any other top shapes? What's another shape y'all have learned about that may not be on this page?
A triangle. Triangle?
Would that work?
Yeah.
Tell him what you thought.
I don't get two different shapes with no curve.
Which one? The one.
Oh, triangle.
Yeah.
Smart.
Can we draw doors?
I'm sure it's a building, so you can make it look like a building, right? All right, what you gonna draw? Where's that square and rectangle you told me you were gonna draw? Okay, where are you gonna draw them at? Pick a place and draw you one. Put you a building. All this is land. These are just streets on the land. Okay?
Okay, so what about next? What are we going to do next? Okay.
Green building.
Why is it going to be green? What's true about it? What did it tell you?
It tells me to write two shapes that at least have one obtuse angle.
Okay. And what kind of shape is that? What did you draw? What is that?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Which one?
This one.
Which one from that sheet?
This.
What is that? Quadrilateral. Now, does yours have a set of parallel lines? Is there a set of parallel lines? If it has one set of parallel lines, what do you call it? Look at that sheet. If it has one set of parallel lines, what do you call it?
Angle?
Just one pair of parallel lines? Which is the one over there by itself? You classify it over there by himself. What is that? Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Yep.
No, because we're trying to do polygons, and polygons have three sides, and that one doesn't have three sides. Okay?
They have to have straight sides. And a heart's a cute thing, but it's not got straight sides. What do you want?
These are my two green buildings that are they're different shapes and they have at least one obtuse angle.
Okay. What is that?
That is like one of the blue ones where it has no parallel sides and or no perpendicular.
Interesting. you got?
With this one, at least like one obtuse angle.
Okay, what kind of shape can have an obtuse angle?
Quadrilateral.
Which kind? Well, a triangle's not a quadrilateral because a quadrilateral has how many sides? Quad means 4. Triangle means 3. So, if I'm looking at a quadrilateral, let's look at your sheet that's got quadrilaterals. Do you have that? Let's look at that.
This is yellow. And this is the
So, if I look at this, which of those shapes has at least an obtuse angle?
oh, does it agree?
Yeah. Right? So there you go. Does it have to have anything else? What else does it say it's got to have?
Should have one or two.
Huh? You said that it has to be 2 different shapes that have at least one obtuse angle. So you can use that as one of your shapes, and then you got to find another shape, right? What's another shape that has an obtuse angle? There you go. Good job. And what color are they going to be?
This two. So just say that that is a category where so we're gonna check.
What you need?
Are we supposed to do two?
2 different shapes.
Because the other ones have like two obtuse angles.
Okay, so which one have you done so far?
Quadrat.
Okay, and where's another one that's got an obtuse?
Around this.
I'm great. I'm good at it. That's kind of second. Stop. And one triangle.
What you need?
Did I get it all right?
Huh?
Did I get it all right? No, he forgot one.
Which one did he forget? Analyze it.
He forgot this one. No parallel or perpendicular sides. And which one is it? Those two. Oh, okay.
So do you have 8 buildings?
Oh, I got it wrong.
Got what wrong?
Right here. Yeah. See, this is a perpendicular, right? Yes.
Ah, so you got to make a triangle with no perpendicular. Yeah.
That's good.
Way to spot that. That's awesome.